I believe that the ugliest thing around towns are the old conventional timber paling fences. And when I saw what you had, that was what prompted us to, go with this. And we're so pleased we did. So a lot of people spend a lot of money on houses and then they put these sorts of timber paling fences around them, and within 3 or 4 or 5 years that they really detract from the work that they put in previously. Well, we've got one on the other side of our block, and it's pretty ordinary. The people next door won't put that up again. It's 1 year older than the PVC. Well, I mean, you've got control of the colour. The timber, you're at the mercy of the weather, and it just deteriorates as time goes on. It tones in with everything around here, basically. Well, the insulation, I got a guy who is very accurate with which is critical in getting it right. The posts have to be spot on. And the rest we did with the neighbour, Jack, over here, and Brenda and myself. It's very straight, and it's coming up 8 years old. And it's as good as the day we put it there. It's very neat and tidy, and, even the gate, beautiful, straight, excellent. It's very, very attractive fence. In fact, the guy who owns this block told me that it is the best fence he's seen, certainly around Portarlington.